Every night, billions of people fall asleep under the same sky. From space, the Earth looks peaceful, a fragile blue planet floating quietly in the darkness of the universe. But beneath that calm view, humanity is living through one of the most complex periods in modern history. Across the world today, more than 130 armed conflicts are active, the highest number recorded in decades. Yet from space, you cannot see borders. You cannot see politics. You cannot see conflict. You only see one shared home. For many children around the world, night still feels safe. They fall asleep thinking about tomorrow, about school, about friends, about the small joys that shape childhood. But for millions of others, night brings uncertainty, because peace is not evenly distributed across our planet. In many cities around the world, the night is interrupted by sirens, air raid alarms, emergency warnings. For millions of civilians living in conflict zones, these sounds are not unusual. They are part of daily life. A signal that something dangerous may be approaching from the sky. When sirens sound, families often have only minutes to decide. They grab what they can carry, a bag, a phone, a child's hand, and they leave behind homes that took years to build. Today, more than 117 million people worldwide are forcibly displaced by war, persecution, or violence, according to global humanitarian organizations. That number represents one of the largest displacement crises in human history. Modern warfare moves faster than ever before. Missiles launched from hundreds of kilometers away can reach cities within minutes. In recent years, long-range missile technology has become a defining feature of many conflicts. Each launch represents more than just a military action. It represents uncertainty for the civilians below. Technology has changed the nature of conflict. Unmanned aerial drones can fly for hours above cities, controlled from far away, watching, tracking, and sometimes striking. While the technology becomes more advanced, the human consequences remain the same. After the explosions fade, cities are left quiet. Buildings collapse. Neighborhoods disappear. Places that once held birthdays, weddings, and everyday life become ruins. Entire communities must begin again from nothing. When violence spreads, people move. Refugee camps appear almost overnight. Rows of tents stretching across the landscape. Each tent represents a family, a story, a life interrupted. For many displaced people, temporary shelters become long-term homes, sometimes for years, sometimes for generations. Children are often the most affected. Global humanitarian agencies estimate that hundreds of millions of children live in areas affected by armed conflict. Many grow up surrounded by instability, yet their hopes remain simple: safety, education, a future. Despite our differences, human beings share more than we realize. Language may change, culture may change, but the desire to live in safety and dignity is universal. Throughout history, humanity has searched for one powerful idea: peace. A simple word, yet one that has inspired movements, revolutions, and generations, because without peace, nothing else can truly grow. So today, I want to ask you something simple. Not about politics, not about sides, just about humanity. Do you stand for peace? If your answer is yes, comment peace below. And remind the world that even in difficult times, humanity still believes in a better future.